When stock images fall short, Photoshop's Generate Image feature steps in to help you generate the object you need for your composites. My name is Jesus Ramirez. In this video, I'll show you how to create custom compositing elements directly in Photoshop and seamlessly blend them into your designs using traditional tools. In this image, I would like to make it seem like the magician is throwing a playing card. I could use one of the many playing card images on Adobe Stock, but for this design, I want to use something unique that will not take me long to create. Photoshop's Generate Image feature is perfect for this. It generates an image over the entire canvas without being influenced by the content below. The Generate Image button gives you much more flexibility than Generator Fill. You have more control over the generations and over the transformations you apply to them. To start, click the Generate Image button right below the toolbar. From this window, you can use the prompt, Medieval, Ace of Hearts playing card with an intricate heart design in the center on a solid white background. Then, click on the Photo button from the content type to generate a photorealistic image. You can also use a style reference image to ensure that your generation is similar in style to the image you chose. And you can apply an effect to your generation, but neither are necessary in this case. Simply click on Generate to create 3 images based on your prompt. These generations will fill the entire canvas and not reference the image below. You can now click on this arrow icon in the taskbar to cycle between the generations. They all look great, and they're much better than any stock image I would have found. I'll go with this one. It has everything I'm looking for, and the heart in the center looks great. Now you can use traditional Photoshop tools to composite this playing card to your image. First, remove the background. To do so, you can enable the Object Selection tool from the toolbar. Then hover over the card. When you see the overlay around it, click to make a selection. With the selection active, go into the Layers panel and click on the Layer Mask icon to create a mask that hides the background. In this case, Photoshop does a fantastic job of removing the background. In your image, you may have to fine-tune the mask a bit. You can use the brush tool and paint with black to hide additional areas, or paint with white to reveal hidden areas. Next, from the Layers panel, right-click on the layer and convert it into a smart object, which will allow you to apply editable adjustments, distortions, and filters. You can always make changes to it. Now press Ctrl-T on Windows Command-T on the Mac to transform. Right-click over the card and choose Distort. Then, drag the transformation handles to make it seem like the playing card is flying out of his hand. You can also drag from the center to reposition the card. When you're done, press the Enter key on Windows, that's the Return key on the Mac to commit the changes. To make this effect even more realistic, you can add a blur. To do so, go into Filter, Blur Gallery, and choose Path Blur. From here, simply drag the blue arrow to determine the direction of the blur and adjust the speed slider to control the intensity. When you have something that looks good to your eye, press the OK button to apply the blur. I'm very happy with these results. The composite looks fantastic. Now that you know how to generate custom elements for your composites, try generating your own for your projects. Again, my name is Jesus Ramirez. Thank you for watching.